Now we will start with versions of service. What kind of versions we have in service? Like what is it? What is version in service? For example, like in Apple softwares, we have like software version 7 or software version 8 or software version 10 like 10.1 10.2 ... etc. For the Apple we have all these things. Like the same, ServiceNow is started in 2003 with the version as April, and the next version is Berlin, and the next version is Calgary, and the next version is Dublin, and the next version is Eureka, and the next version is Fusil, and the next version is Geneva, and the next version is Helsinki, and the next version is Istanbul. If you see the each and every version, ServiceNow is taking the city names in different countries, they are considering as their version. Okay, after the Istanbul, Jakarta, after the Jakarta, Kingston, London, Madrid, New York, Orlando, present version ServiceNow is Orlando, and the upcoming version Paris. The upcoming version is Paris. If you people have any doubt, you can unmute and you can ask. I made other people to the mute. Okay. Please be mute, everyone. So the upcoming version is Paris. So ServiceNow is elevated to the market. Everyone got to know ServiceNow is there in 2011. After that, ServiceNow is growing up, and they started releasing 2 versions every year. In the third quarter and fourth quarter. Sorry, first quarter and third quarter. So every year they will release 2 versions. For example, this year they already released Orlando. So coming months like September or October they will release Paris. After Paris there are some other releases are there, but every year they will release the 2 versions. Why they will release the 2 versions? To upgrade their product. Why they will release? To upgrade their product. To upgrade their products. Okay, so if any issues or defects with the existing modules, they will fix with these versions, and they will add new features in every release. Every release. Okay, so this is what they will release the versions. Okay, the present version now Orlando, but when you are going with the interviews, they will ask you what version of ServiceNow you are using. You have to say we are working with New York version now, and we are trying to move to Orlando. You have to say this answer. Remember, you should know the what version of ServiceNow you are using. Again, you should say in interviews, they will ask you one question. What version of ServiceNow you are using? The answer is we are in New York and we are upgrading to Orlando by end of this month. You can say like this. Okay, in every interview they will ask what version of ServiceNow you are using. So you have to say we are in New York and we are upgrading to Orlando by end of this month. You can say this kind of answer this month or next month, whatever it may be.